For today's video, we'll be taking a look at some top celebrity bag hauls and the luxury pieces they've been unboxing. From stunning designer bags to some seriously eye-catching pieces, you'll want to see what they got. So don't scroll, sit back, enjoy the video, and let us know in the comments which bag is your favorite and whether you think it's worth the price. Let's get started.
We're gonna start off with this bag that I wore today. And I actually bought her today. I actually got the matching outfit that go with this bag about 3 months ago. And when I went to Chanel to try to get this bag, guess what? I got there too late. Jordan Woods got there before me 30 minutes earlier. So she snatched the last bag that they had of this one in New York, but they still sold me this one, so whatever. So I couldn't wait to come around this bag and got her today, and I wore the outfit today to go perform my baby Lonnie. Second bag that I'm gonna show you, I got this bag in Paris, and this is supposed to be my everyday bag because she's huge, she's private, she's not open. I know you guys see me with this bag every single day, but the only reason why I haven't put everything that I got here is because I have attachment issues and I'm just lazy. But this is supposed to be my everyday bag. I really want her in green, so any Chanel associates, please hit me up for the green one. The third bag I got is this one. Look at her, she is so beautiful. I have to have her. I of course have the sister. You guys know how excited I was when I got the sister, and just I love her. I know she's gonna be one of my favorite bags this fall because these are such great bags for the fall. It's just furry, it's gorgeous. I have to have both of them. I have to have the siblings. Like, I can't. Now I know you guys see me with this bag. I love this bag. This bag, I ordered it, and she's from Italy. They only have this bag in Italy. I wore it one time, and I feel like I'm never gonna wear her again because she's so delicate. She's white. She's my favorite Bottega print, with this white feather. She's so unique. Like, the only way I'm gonna wear this outfit is on a very special event because I don't want to ruin her. She's gorgeous. Another Bottega bag that I got her in Paris, and look how amazing she is. Well, I'll say this is a he. I don't think this is a girl. And she's humongous. This, of course, for like a day-to-day bag. She's fun. She's good for the fall. Culture! Good for the fall. And she's amazing. So another bag that I know you guys see me with, I bought her last week, the day of my party, is this bag right here. And she is so cute. Of course, I have her sister here. I love this color so much that I was like, I gotta get her in a Kelly 20. Like, I gotta have both of them. So this is a Birkin 25 or 20. I think it's a 25. It's too big to be a 20. And this is a Kelly 20. So it's just like, I gotta have both. I have a sickness. I have a sickness. Another bag that I got in Paris was this one. Her color is, I don't know, this is such a, I don't know, it's a unique color. It's almost like baby powder blue with grayish. I think this is a fun bag. This is a bag you could wear in the summertime and in the fall time. And she's small and she's cute. She's a 25. Like, amazing. I bought it at the Hermes store in Paris, and I just had to have her. And last but not least, Harrods, I can't even say it, in London gagged me when they came out with this one. She is so cute, this one. I love this bag, and I want to say thank you so much to the Hermes team out there in London. This is such a beautiful bag. I love her so much. Like, she is just, I love this Kelly's. Like, I'm just an addict. So yeah, guys, that was my haul.
My dad told me to diversify my investment portfolio, so I took matters into my own hands. I was furniture shopping at Hermes, and just as I was about to leave, they offered me this long-term investment that I couldn't turn down. Dun, 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 dun. It's a limited edition Kelly with a zipper on the side, palladium hardware. I don't really know what kind of leather this is, but there's a cute little pocket in the back. Oh, it fits my whole hand. This is another way to carry it. Hello. In this house, we hedge against inflation together.
Collection is simply immaculate. Chanel has not seen a collection this iconic in a minute. This is my favorite purchase of the day. This is the new Chanel 25 in the most beautiful animal print pattern. Literally one of the coolest bags I now own. This is incredibly difficult to get, so I feel very lucky to have it. I went into that Chanel thinking I'm lucky if I get one animal print bag. I did not expect to leave with the two hottest animal print bags to get in this collection, okay? This is the classic flap in the animal print. Oh my gosh, I could not believe they had this. Chanel is doing a lot more with less structured bags, so this style has me in a choke hold. First of all, this color for fall, this color with my hair, the size, flexible. Like, it's squishy, it's really comfortable on the arm, and the colors, this one is not something I would typically go for, but I wanted something a little different, and the color of this is just gorgeous. I don't know the name of this color, but the green with the gold hardware, it's just really fun. I love it. And I love how this bag looks closed too. Believe it or not, in my vlog, this seemed to be the favorite. I was very surprised by that, because it's giving Hulk. I mean, I don't know, it's cool. Isn't this haul just so good? Like, the collection is unreal. I got both of these because I could not decide on a color. I love this bag. Like, the style, the shape, the material. You can dress this professional, you can dress it classy, elevated, a night out. It's just such a damn good bag. So it has a clasp, and then it has a CAD holder area. You can fit a phone, you can fit a wallet, you can fit a lip combo, a comb. Like, you can fit your shit in this. I just love it. I got the tiny little wallet to match. This is so small, probably would fit up to 6 CADs.
These are all the bags that I bought this year. As you can see, it's been a very big year of shopping. Starting off with my first purchase of the year, which was this Rosacura Birkin 25, and I think this was my most favorite purchase of the year. How can it not be? She's just perfect. I also got the Chanel 25. This is my most recent purchase. I must say that these two bags are the pink bags that I use the most. It's so durable, way more durable than the Birkin, to be honest, because it has this caviar leather. Another very, very practical bag that I've worn all summer is this Alaya bag in this Bordeaux color. I got this one in Tokyo early this year, and it has been one of my most used bags. 10 out of 10. Would I get her again? No. But I also love it because it's in a special color. I love this Alaya way more than this Alaya I bought. I also love her. I mean, she's very special because it's very cool. Like, it has this cool opening. Wait, let me show you. As you can see, it doesn't open very, very well, and also it doesn't fit as much as the other Alaya. I would give this a 5 out of 10 also because it's already quite damaged. If you put things in here, it literally gives you dents. Another bag that I got this year that I wore all summer is this Miu Miu pouch. I love it so much that I got the same from my manager. I actually didn't buy this bag myself, so it doesn't really count. I got it as a gift from a guy I was dating. I like this bag because of the memories, and she's so cute. I like it so much. I waited so long for this bag. It's a Murakami Collection LV, and this is the only LV purse I bought this year. I also got the matching passport holder because I think it's just so cute with all the cherries. Give it an 8 out of 10. You have to really like the style, but I think it's really fun to have in the collection. I actually forgot I did buy another LV bag this year, which is this denim pink. It's very Y2K. I don't wear her a lot. I would still give it a 7 out of 10 just because it's so cool. This Bottega clutch. Trust me, it fits so much, and I'm so happy I got the brown color instead of the black. I love this one so much, and I got the white one, and to be honest, I used the brown one way more than the white. I think white is great to have in the collection. I feel like this would be the perfect wedding purse, except I'm not getting married anytime soon. I feel like you really need to have the right outfit for it. I would rank this a 5 out of 10, and this one is just a 10 out of 10. I would get it again for sure. Another Bottega bag that I did not use very much, actually I didn't use it a single time this year, I think, is this. I actually have the Andiamo in the East-West in the brown size, which is the longer version, which I use 1,000 times more. Quite hard to get stuff in and out, so I would give it a 3 out of 10. Another bag I have barely used is this Chloe bag. I just feel like it's not really my style. I don't even know why I got it. This Saint Laurent bag in suede. I think the color is gorgeous. Do I wear her as much as I would like to? Not really, because it's very sensitive. I give it overall a 7 out of 10 just because it's so spacious, and it just goes with everything. Like, it even goes with this pink. I just spilled avocado, everything bagels toppings inside in here, so it kind of smells like it. This is why I don't wear her as much, but Oh. Wow.
So for context, Japan has the most affordable vintage designer bag market. The first purchase I made was this gorgeous classic flap. This is from 1991, and because of the age, it has the 24K gold-plated hardware. So some people would actually argue that vintage Chanel is better than modern Chanel because of the quality of the materials. And I got it for 2,700, so I'm very pleased. It comes with the original box, the original dust bag. So yeah, this was my first purchase. My second purchase is this patent cherry red Lady Dior bag. This is my first Lady Dior, I don't actually have one. And this, again, another steal. So I actually checked a popular reseller website in London that shall remain nameless, and this bag is on this site for £3,500. I got this for £1,750. This is what I mean about the vintage bag market in Japan. It's insane. Also, if you're worried about shopping here, Japan is super strict regarding counterfeit products. You will get authentication cards for almost everything. And the vintage shops are generally like on the high street. This is the next bag I bought. Well, technically I didn't buy it, my sister did. I saw this in a store, I sent her a picture and she was like, this is so cute, I want it, I need it. So I picked this up for her. This is a top handle Chanel bag from, I think they said 1992. Because it didn't have the original box or the original dust bag, I got this at a steal. I picked this up for £1,700. The leather is in good condition considering that it is older than my sister. And my final purchase, this is actually for my mum. This comes with the lock, the keys, the patina on the leather is really nice. This one, I bought it in Osaka. Osaka is where the real gems are when you want bargains. But I got this bag for £390. £390, yeah. I would say I'm done with bag shopping, but there's one more bag I want to buy on behalf of my mum. But what a steal. If I bought these bags vintage in London, they would have cost me upwards of like £10,000 to £12,000. But here I got them for half the price. So ladies, before the market changes in Japan, come to Japan to get your vintage bags.
Let's go through my favorites that I purchased this year. First up, and definitely my favorite, the Chanel shopping tote in the embossed croc. The things I had to do to get this bag, I literally cut my left arm off for it. This is the bag that I reach for the most. It surprisingly fits a lot more than you would expect. And I mean, come on, it's literally so chic with any outfit. Are we still saying chic, by the way? We're sticking with Chanel. We have the Chanel 25 in the mini version in this beautiful bubblegum pink color. Never in a million years did I think I would buy, first of all, a pink bag, but let alone a pink Chanel bag. And it's a lot easier to style than you might think. I tend to wear a lot of neutrals during the day, and this is just so fun to add in a little pop of color. If you know me, you know that I did not stand a chance against this bag. This is the Ferragamo zebra print half hair clutch. I actually believe it's a crossbody bag, but first of all, Ferragamo has been killing it lately. This bag is the perfect statement clutch. It's like small enough, not too big, but fits everything that you need it to fit. Did I need to buy a yellow Fendi sequin baguette? No, but look at her. She's so beautiful. It's actually a lot harder than you think to find one that's in really good condition. Obviously, that is how I'm justifying this purchase. I know that the internet probably does not need to see another Birkin right now, but she did make the list. I was kind of a Birkin hater before this. I really wanted a Kelly and Rouge Ash, but that just simply was not gonna happen. Vintage leather on a Birkin, in my opinion, looks so much better. It just looks a little bit more relaxed, and I like the slouchier look to it. Palladium hardware with this burgundy color.